Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial, I'll show you how to do a simple, easy possess none look. Trust me, this was quick, fast, and easy. All you need is some color contact lenses. Okay you guys, I did her eyebrows off camera, but I'll attach a link to show you how I do sculpture eyebrows. For her eyeshadow base, I'll be using Clown White. I'll be working out of the James Charles palette. This is the first color that I'm adding to the crease. I'm just using a regular crease brush. I use more than one crease brush when doing multiple colors. Next, I'll be using this dark color in the socket of the crease. Last, I'm using this black color on the lid. To me, this is the most easiest smoky eye that you can produce. You might have to go through all these colors just to get it correct and perfect. After you're done with your desired shape and color, you wipe any fallout. Then we move on to the liquid liner. My favorite liner I'll be using is by Amuse Cosmetic Jet Black Liner. Then I'll be using a lighter concealer just to sharpen it up. Now for my lash base, I'll be using La Charmer Wispy D. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. Now to prep and primer skin, I'm using Pond's Moisturizer, and for primer, I'm using BlackOpal primer. This is my favorite primer. Now for her foundation, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic NC45 in the center of her face. And the brush that I'm using is by Morphy E8 brush. This is my first time using this brush for foundation because all my brushes aren't prepared. So let's see what happens. For the outer area of her face, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic NC50. Okay, I'm feeling the Morphy E8 brush. I like how it blends all the colors in. This brush gave me a nice base. I'll list all the brushes that I use in the description box. Now for the concealer, I'll be using Tart in the shade Medium, and I'll be using that same Morphy E8 brush to blend it down. Next, to contour her, I'll be using BlackOpal Cosmetic in the shade Karab. To blend down the contour, I'm just using a regular crease brush. Honestly, if you have a hard time blending down your contour, it's okay to use your foundation brush. It already has product on it, just to tone it down. FYI, you can use a bigger brush when contouring around the cheek, chin, and forehead, but I was just curious what would happen if I use my crease brush. Now I'm just going back through some area with my foundation brush just to soften up any lines of demarcation. Next, I'll be using Benign Cosmetic Natural Set to set her face. I normally only set the highlighted area. Then I'll go back and use different powders for everywhere else. You can use Natural Set all over the face if you please, but just know what you're doing. Now to set the center of the face, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic Skin Finisher in the shade Medium Dark. And then for the outer area of her face, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic Skin Finisher in the shade Dark. To play with her contour, I'll be using Black Radiant Contouring Palette in the shade Sculpt. Again, I'm using a crease brush to play with the contour. With this one, I did use a big brush at the end to help blend down the contour even more. Sometimes I have to fix, change, or rearrange something that I don't like. With the same foundation brush, it already has product, so it helped me soften or tone anything down. Next, I'll be using my banana powder by Benign Cosmetics. Then I'll be using a mixture of juviaplace blush palette. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. After the blush, I just start dusting everything off. Then I'll be moving into the eyes. Next, I'll be using an NYX pencil. I'll list that in the description box. Now to smudge underneath the eyes, you can use the same color that you use in the crease for underneath the eyes. All the product and brushes that I use will be listed in the description box. Now for the lips, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic Current Lip Pencil and High Drama Liquid Matte Lipstick. When doing a color lip, I always fill the lip up with the color that I want to use, and I always use a brush to clean up around the edges to get it as sharp as possible. I'm using a MAC Cosmetic 242 brush just to sharpen her lips out. My model do have a real mold, so I just use a liquid eyeliner just to pop it out even more. So I'm just using some finishing spray before I add her highlight. This will allow her bronzer to pop out even more. Now I'll be adding my last pair of lashes on top of hers. I love to use stacked lashes. These are mink lashes. To me, 3D minks give you an extra pop. I love using 3D mink lashes. Now I'll be pulling her top lashes and bottom lashes out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is for all the person that likes simple makeup. You don't have to be very extravagant. So, I hope you use this in your Halloween makeup look. Trust me, this was quick, fast, and easy. All you need is some color contact lenses. Thank you guys for tuning into my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And please comment and let me know what you think about this tutorial. Thank you. I really enjoyed doing this tutorial. And the funny thing about it, me and my friend, she know how crazy I am. So we end up really driving to a Catholic church in my neighborhood to take this picture.